Apply honey to your feet before bed and watch the incredible transformation until the next morning. It may sound simple, but once you've tried it, you'll never want to go a night without it. Stay with me until the end, because today I'm going to reveal 2 powerful tips that will change the way you look after your skin forever. Let's start with the first. Take a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of fine salt. Fine salt is ideal as it gently exfoliates without irritating the skin, paving the way for the next ingredients to work their magic. Now, this is where the magic begins. Add 2 generous spoonfuls of honey. Honey is nature's miracle. It's packed with natural antioxidants, antibacterial agents, and deep moisturizing properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the skin, providing essential fatty acids that repair and nourish, leaving your skin silky and rejuvenated. Comment below where you're from. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Mix everything together until it forms a thick, luxurious paste. The texture should be rich and a little rough. This is exactly what we want to act deep into the layers of the skin. Here's the first trick. Apply this mixture directly to your fingernails and toenails. Massage gently to stimulate circulation, strengthen the nails, soften the cuticles, and bring out the natural shine. Say yes if you're going to try this at home. Now, on to the second and even more powerful tip. Take another bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey again. Now add 1 tablespoon of fine salt, creating a perfect blend of hydration and gentle exfoliation that removes dead and rough cells. Next, add a generous spoonful of your favorite moisturizing cream. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to boost the formula with deep nourishment. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Mix everything together until you get a creamy, delicious mixture. Apply generously to the feet, concentrating especially on dry or cracked areas. Massage slowly, allowing your skin to absorb all the benefits. Then put on a pair of cotton socks. Trust me, this step makes all the difference. It keeps the moisture in and allows the ingredients to act deeply during the night. When you take your socks off in the morning, you'll be amazed at the results. Soft, moisturized, and beautiful feet, without expensive creams or trips to the salon. If you have product left over, don't waste it. You can use it on your elbows, knees, or even hands to revitalize dry, rough skin. If you liked today's tips, save this video to use again. Share it with someone who needs a little self-care magic, and leave a comment telling me about the results. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more amazing tricks that can transform your life.